Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. Today we're going to take a walkthrough tour of the Anthony B Floorplan by SK Builders. The Anthony B has 2,550 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms with the bonus room. Master bedroom is on the main level. It's open floor plan. There's a corner fireplace, 2-car garage. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. So on this side of the home is the master bedroom, which has an ensuite bathroom with a garden tub, separate shower, and a walk-in closet. The laundry room is also on this side of the home, along with the entrance from the garage into the home. Let's check it out. Upstairs, you have 3 additional bedrooms, a bonus room, a second bathroom, and all the bedrooms have walk-in closets. Let's check it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. Now, some of the upgrades in this home may vary depending on the selection in the home that you choose to buy. Now, if you are interested in the Anthony B Floorplan or any of the new construction homes for sale in the area, regardless of the builder, let me and my team help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available homes for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.